Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. It is almost Super Bowl time. So I'm making some chicken wings. I'm stealing one from Tyler Florence. It's kind of a sticky soy honey thing. Here we go. So you're gonna put a half a cup of honey. You know, I'm not even gonna do that. Why use a cup? Obviously that's about a half a cup. We need a cup of low sodium soy. Oops, big mess that I just made. Gotta wipe that up. Woo! Okay, so we're back after making my soy mess. We need a half of a lemon juiced. Then I need to get my garlic minced. So I'm going to peel these guys. 2 cloves, all right? Oh, come on. Get out of there! So there's your 2 cloves of garlic. Then I gotta grate some ginger. I need a tablespoon. Peel comes right off. Oh, this guy's not gonna make it. Get the small guy out of there. Tyler, I'm sorry, buddy. I was at the store. I was getting all my ingredients. And I didn't get the cilantro. Oh well. Happens, right? How many of you have done that? All right, let's get our grater. Let's grate this guy, okay? A little teaspoon. Right there, boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix that up. Yeah, honey everywhere. Now we're just going to pour that all in there into the bowl. Get it coated really well. I'm gonna put this in a little Ziploc bag and store it in the fridge. So I just pulled them out of the fridge. They've been marinating for a couple of hours and I gotta pat them down and get them all nice and happy. So I'm just gonna stick them in the bowl. Let's just pat them down, dry them off a little bit because that'll reduce the splatter. Let's get this pan on. Medium-high heat, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, see how it's foaming like that? You want to get it to where it stops doing that. That looks perfect. Okay, let's stick them in. So that's going to take about 5 minutes to kind of get those going and browned up on each side. Look at this little guy. What's he going to do? That's for the little mini people, right? Come on. All right, so they're ready to come off. Oh, these look so good. They're sticky, teriyaki, garlic, ginger. That's a party right there. Oh, falling around. A little salt. Get some pepper on that. Boom, done. I think I should try one. Feel the stickiness. That's a party right there in my mouth. Okay, another game day right there. Tyler Florence all the way. I'll get these up, and you make these for game day because you know what's happening in the Super Bowl, right? You're making wings. Awesome, we'll see ya. Hey, thanks for watching. You wanna see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You wanna win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You wanna get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.